Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Ledger Nano S Plus. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. The device will power on automatically. You'll then see a welcome message on its screen. Use the buttons to navigate through the initial prompts. This first step is crucial for a smooth setup experience. Let's get started. Next, you'll set up your PIN code. Select a strong 4 to 8-digit PIN and confirm it. Remember, this PIN protects your device. After that, the device will display your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Write it down on the provided recovery sheet exactly as it appears. Double-check every word, then confirm it on the device. Keep this phrase safe and secret. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation. Just like securing your crypto, it's great to have your favorite books secure and accessible. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for learning about crypto or anything else. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, it's time to install Ledger Live. Download the official application from Ledger's website to your computer or smartphone. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the on-screen prompts to connect and initialize your Nano S Plus. This process links your device to the software. Finally, use Ledger Live to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your device. You're almost ready to manage your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.